Hey everyone, this is Frugal Panda here. I have a review of Miady, M-I-A-D-Y, 10,000 mAh dual USB portable charger. It's supposed to be fast charging, power bank with USB input, backup charger for iPhone X, Galaxy S9, Pixel 3D, Pixel 3, and more. This one right here, these two right here were $19.99 for them. Now I have other ones like this, but they're only 5,000 mAh. So I thought it was time to get some more just in case with a little more juice. The others I used when my last trip to Japan and when I went to the Pacific Northwest, and they were did pretty well. They did actually really awesome, to be honest with you. Let's see if we can get the back of it. There you go, right there. It came with two, one black, one white. Also, it came with one USB plug-in. There's the end. I've already tested it. I took this one. They were supposed to come mostly fully charged, but of course, there's no telling how long these were sitting at the Amazon warehouse. So this one had 4 bars and this one had 3 bars when I got it. So I tested with this one and I was curious, could this charge my iPad? Or excuse me, it can charge my iPad, but can it charge my MacBook Pro? So that's what I was really curious about, because I can use it. It still has tons of different uses. I can use it with different things. But what I was wondering, if I was in a bind, somehow I didn't have my Jackery, or I just didn't want to plug in my Jackery, and I just wanted to maintain charge or put a little juice into it, could I use one of these? So for $19.99, I got a total of 20,000 mAh, both of them combined. So I thought this would be a good one to get at $19.99. I tested it with all other types of things, such as the basic things like your phone and, all that. Phone, tablets, all that. And of course, it charged them. It charges them pretty fast, just like they were plugged into the wall. So there was no issues with them. You push a button on the side, and it'll tell you how many bars you got. So this is fully charged because I charged it up, and it goes off after a couple of seconds. You can see all the different plugins. The USB-C right there. Now you have to be careful because I tested this on my MacBook Pro, and if you have the regular charger, it has 2 USB-Cs on each end. One goes into the charger, one goes into the actual MacBook Pro. So if you plug the USB-C input into there, you plug the USB-C input into here, it will actually draw charge off of the MacBook Pro, which I'm guessing the MacBook Air too. It will draw the charge off of that battery and charge this. So be careful, because you could have reverse charge and be juicing this up and sucking battery from your laptop if that's not what you want to do. So if the end looked like this, the USB-C, and you plugged it into here, right? And then you had the other end that looked just like this, and you plugged it into the MacBook Pro, it will reverse charge and charge up the actual battery pack instead of charging the MacBook Pro. Now, to put juice into the actual MacBook Pro itself, you would plug into one of the ports right here. Make sure I got it on here, right? See that? You plug that in just like that. And then on the side here, you have a USB-C, and you take this end and plug it in just like that. And you plug it all the way in, and you can see the light comes on that tells you it's being charged, right? Take that off to the side. And if you look at this real quick, you can see we got one plug-in into here, the light's on. We got one plug into there. Now let's go up and look real quick. Let's see here. As you can see, it's charging, right? So it's actually charging it right now. Works pretty good on that. As you can see, it charges. It can put some juice into it if you needed to in a bind. Now, with that being said, I can tell you that this was at 3 bars when I got it. This one right here. So when you hit the button, it was at 3 bars when I got it. So I plugged it in just to test it. And this was yesterday, and it was at 81%, right? By the time I got back later on in the day, not that long because MacBooks charge pretty quickly, it was at 100%. And then this was down to down to 1 bar. So it put about 20% charge into it. You're not going to use this with a MacBook Pro unless, you're in a bind or you're just maybe trying to keep some juice into it while you try and work remotely and you don't want to pull your Jackery out, for example. I didn't necessarily get it for that. I just wanted bigger batteries, backup batteries to use for different things. Now, be careful with these type of ones because they may not work with something like, say, fairy light, something that's a very little bit of current draw. I can tell you that the claim is that it will charge your phone 3 to 4 times. Each one of these should charge your phone 3 to 4 times. And I can definitely believe that because it charged my MacBook in up 20% and still had 1 bar left. So charging a phone multiple times should be no problem. Lights, like 5-watt lights and stuff, should do pretty great on these. For $19.99, the Miady or Miady, whatever it is, works pretty well. You only get 1 cable with it, which is not a big deal. There's the cable. These are a dime a dozen. I probably have 20, 30 of these sitting around the house from old phones, tablets, whatever else. You get 2 of them. 1 black, 1 white. Would I recommend it? Yeah, I would recommend these because they're $19.99. You're getting 20,000 mAhs altogether. It charges stuff pretty fast. I did not have the MacBook on there that long, and I got 20% out of it. And if it was just a phone, easy peasy. Comes in this basic box right here. They're both individually wrapped in this plastic right here. Each one has one. Cheap little box, whoop-de-woo. It's not a big deal. Let's see, show the box real quick. Nothing big on it. It's made in China. Model AS-TPB21. The warranty on it should be, the warranty on these are from 1 year to 18 months, which is pretty standard for these type of chargers. You can also charge multiple things at the same time. So I could have my phone plugged in. I could have my phone charging on here. Maybe something else, a tablet. So you can have your phone and your tablet charging at the same time on here. So it's definitely pretty cool in regards to what you can do with this, I think. And you're getting 2 of them for $19.99. I wanted a 25,000 mAh one, but then I started thinking they all come from the same place, usually China, and even with good reviews, you never know how long they're going to last. So what if I buy a 30,000 mAh one and it breaks? Well, I'm stuck with a brick, especially out of warranty. But I got 2 10,000s for that price. Anything happens to one of them, whether it's a manufacturing error or something drop them and smash it up, then I still have the other one. Standard plastic case, of course. It looks almost like a cell phone without a display on it. Looks pretty sturdy though. This will go in my backpack and one will go in my van for some upcoming trips to have as another backup. You're never gonna have enough backup rechargeable batteries to charge your stuff. There you go. Let's do it again real quick. We'll unhook it. See if you can get it all. I want to make sure you guys can see everything. There you go. So anyway, if I needed it for a bind like that, then I could use it for that. Would I recommend one of these 2, excuse me? Yes, I would. $19.99, especially, and also charges off my little solar panel. My little one, that's a little fold-out one I've had forever, charges right off of those and everything. So it will do that. I'd recommend these, especially for the price. You can't go wrong for the price. You're getting 2 of them. You got a backup to a backup. So anyway, this is Virgo Panda Reviews. I hope this helps you. Hope you have a good day. Thank you. Real quick before I go, I want to thank everyone who's went through my Amazon links and purchased things or just looked at things. These were bought on credits I had from people who actually had went through my links of stuff I'd recommended. And I bought these to check out, and because I also needed them. So thank you for your time.